All right, language explorers. So let's have a look at today's Thursday adverb. So off. Off. No longer the case. We will climb off the boat. I have to get off. How can I get off the bus? When do you want to get off the train? She is taking off the hat. Ah, yeah, no longer the case. Yeah. Yeah. So we could then say, she has gone off with her friends. I went off to Stourbridge with a friend on Friday. I went off to Stourbridge. Yeah. I can't get the hat off her. She really wants the hat and I can't get it off her. No. Yeah. Very good. Will she get off the field? Will she get off the field? No. No, she can't get off it easily. No. How cool is that? Yeah, very good. How cool is that? So off the field, off the floor. Take the book off the shelf. Take the book off the shelf. Will you take the hat off the table? Take the hat off the table. Yeah. How cool is that? So, language explorers, can you use off in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram, and Udemy when you search for English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that? Let's keep exploring.